How to access blocked websites in Chrome on your iPhone. So if you're trying to load a website but it's blocked, I'm going to show you 3 different methods on how to go and unblock this. Now, first thing we need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone and then scroll down to screen time and click on this. Now scroll down to content and privacy restrictions and make sure content and privacy restrictions are turned off and disabled. You could then head back over to the Chrome browser and head over to the Google website. Now click on your profile icon, and if you scroll down, you'll see the option for Safe Search. Click on this and make sure this is turned off and disabled like so. You could then try accessing the website and checking if it's still blocked. Now, if it's still not working, type in VPN Gate to the address bar and click on this top website, which is vpngate.net. Now, you can basically use any of these free VPN servers on your iPhone to unblock websites. So if you just go and zoom into the screen like so, you then need to go and copy the server address of any of these different VPNs. So I'm just going to copy the address of this top one here and press copy. You then need to close out of the window and open up the settings on your phone, scroll down to General, and then scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Now click on VPN and select Add VPN Configuration. Click on Type and change this to L2TP. Now come back over to the previous window, click on the description, and then you can just go and give this a name. I'm going to call it Test VPN. Go and click on Server, and then you need to paste in the server address that we just copied. Now for the account, go and type in the word VPN, all lowercase. Now for the password, also type in VPN, all in lowercase. You could also type in VPN for the secret field as well. Once you've done this, press the tick icon, and in order to turn on the VPN, toggle VPN status to on. And this will now connect you to the free VPN. Once you're connected, you can go and open back up a Chrome browser, and you should now be able to access any website in Chrome.